Queensferry or South Queensferry is just a few miles west of Edinburgh, a beautiful coastal town that is inextricably linked to the three massive bridges that dominate its skyline. From the Hawes Inn to the Inchcombe Inn are views of pastel-coloured houses, and down near every alleyway breathtaking views of the magnificent bridges that span the River Forth. One annual Hogmanay ceremony, conceived in 1986 by locals from the Inchcombe Inn, has many participate in the Looney Dook, which consists of duking or immersing yourself in the waters of the river on the 1st of January. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.